In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable department IDs at your Canon image runner machine. At the machine, you'll want to start by selecting the settings/registration icon here. Now, you'll need to log in using the machine's administrator login credentials. Once that's typed in, go ahead and select Login. From here, you'll want to go ahead and select Management Settings. Then you'll select User Management. From here, go ahead and select Department ID Management. Currently, the Department ID Management is turned off. Go ahead and select On. Then we'll need to select the requirements. Most commonly, we turn off Allow Printer Jobs with Unknown IDs and the Allow Remote Scan Jobs with Unknown IDs, allowing only registered pins to be accepted for those jobs. Now you can select whether you're wanting to allow black and white copy jobs or allow black and white print jobs. Once those options have been selected, you can now go ahead and select Register PIN to go ahead and set the department ID codes. Go ahead and select Register PIN. Then you'll go ahead and select Register. From here, go ahead and input a 4 to 8-digit numerical number. For the department ID, the PIN is not needed. Go ahead and select OK, and you'll now see that you have registered a department ID. You can select the Edit button for another code if you're wanting to change that department ID, or you have the option of deleting. Once that information is set, go ahead and select OK, and the department IDs are now on. Now, if you need to calculate the department ID page totals, you'll first navigate back to the Department ID Management screen here and select Page Totals. And as you see, it displays a breakdown by each department code, the total prints, the total color prints, and the total black and white prints. You also have the option of printing this list and clearing all totals to be able to calculate again next month. Select OK to navigate back to the home screen, and you're all set.